So one of the very first products that I want to talk to you about, which is actually a tip that I learned from my Star Master Sam Yoon, and it's the Atomy peeling gel. Okay, now this product is actually part of a larger set, which is our Atomy Evening Care 4 set. Okay, and why am I only focusing on this one product for this? Okay, because I want to show you easy ways to be able to present our products and grab people's attention. Okay, now to get all those impurities and all those toxins out of our skin, this is the set to do it. Okay, and the peeling gel offers an immediate satisfaction or an immediate result. Okay, so one of the strategies that I use is I invite somebody over to my house as an example, or I may grab a coffee, with a friend. I always carry around various products with me wherever I go. Now, one of the products that I always carry with me is a peeling gel. Okay, so that way, if I'm having a conversation with them, if I'm having even breakfast or a coffee, I'll ask them, I'll say, hey, do me a favor and give me your hand. Now, they give me their hand and I apply a little bit of the peeling gel, okay, on the back of their hand. Now, we continue on with our normal conversation and let that dry for about 3 to 5 minutes. So we just continue talking for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then I tell them to start rubbing the back of their hand and feel all the small grains that start forming. And that's actually dead skin cells. So I tell them that you're taking off, that you can actually physically see and feel the result of what the product is doing. Okay, but then what I tell them is after they actually feel that, I say, do me a favor and go wash your hands. Go wash your hands, come back. We're about to eat anyways, or we're gonna, have a snack. So wash your hands. And when they come back, okay, and then they touch the back of their hand where the peeling gel was applied versus their other hand, which they didn't apply anything to, they can feel the difference immediately. The reaction I always get is, wow. I don't have to explain the ingredients. I don't have to explain what the extracts do. I am able to actually show them what it does. And that has been an amazing hook for me because in a short span of 5 to 7 minutes, a person has already seen the effectiveness of one of the products. Now, the main goal is we just want to get them in with one. We want them to fall in love with at least one because that will open the door to the rest of the Atomy products. Now, you don't have to present everything, okay? A lot of times we can confuse our customers by recommending a ton of things because, we're in love with Atomy and we're passionate about it. But we have a lot of great selling points with the peeling gel. It's not abrasive, okay? You're not scraping the skin. It offers fast results, which people can actually see and feel. Now, that's an example of one of my favorite products. Now, I do want you to know that the Evening Care set, which that product belongs to, is absolutely amazing, and the peeling gel being used in this 4-step process offers the most optimal results when you use it in conjunction with the other products, okay? Now, this method is just our hook to present them to the full set in an environment where they can't apply it to their face, right? You're not going to necessarily apply a mask on while you're having a coffee out, right? So these are easy ways.